Hey guys, this is V and welcome to the channel. In my previous video about my breakfast nook, I show you the furniture, the layout, the way how it looked over at the family room. I show you that I was taking this piece. I have this for I think like over 17, no, about 16 years. And I'm getting rid of it. You see now it is out of the space. I'm getting ready to move that buffet piece. This here, later on in the video, you're going to see the color of it. And it was a plain piece of office furniture that was my husband's office furniture. It was flat to the ground. I built the piece under to make a drawer. I add the legs to it. There is a video. I'm going to see if I could link it. When I just started my channel, I did this. That door that I'm showing you leads to my outdoor kitchen with the balcony. This is the area carpet that is there. And I want to wash the carpet because I'm going to redo everything. I am going to take that carpet outside and wash it, power wash it, and use a power brush that I have on it. And this is what the space is looking like. The tile is gray. And it's like a gray plank wood. That's what it looked like, but it's real tile. It's ceramic tile. This piece, I want to move it to the back of the sofa facing to the back of the family room. And this is nighttime. I'm going to give you a daytime view what I did the next day. So I took the curtains down in preparation for that space to be all clear. And to my right, that's where the kitchen is. But this is the breakfast nook area. All the detail on there, I cut them and put them on. Like I said, it's in another video. I will show you pieces that I used to make that design on the door and to make it look like a piece of furniture that belonged in a house. Like I told you, was an office furniture. This is enough space for this to get in the corner there. What I'm going to do now, I want to move this piece, but it's heavy, like all get out. There's dishes inside of this thing here. This is the actual color of the piece. And I did not paint on the inside of it. These are all the dishes that I store in this area. But the cups, I'm going to move them because I feel like when I start sliding it across the floor, one of them may fall out. So that'll be the only thing that I am going to move from out of there. But listen, I'm not looking for no extra work. I'm moving it with all the dishes. Guys, here comes the next day, and I'm like, you know what, girl? Give the people back their breakfast nook so they could eat. You need to get this together. So I decided, how am I going to move this furniture? Guys, we're going to do an infomercial. Have you ever wanted to move furniture, but you didn't have the manpower? I'm showing you my outdoor kitchen. That's the area right there, right off the breakfast nook. Have you ever wanted to move furniture and you didn't have the manpower to do it? Now, I'm going to tell you about a man named Jack. He is sexy. Look at him. So I use a car jack to help me with the furniture. And guys, when I do my work, it's usually at nighttime. But somehow I couldn't find the jack. I don't remember where the last time where I put it, but I finally located it. And I use a car jack to jack my furniture up and to put the sliders under it. So girl, do not go get the neighbor man and let the neighbor shoot you with a shotgun. Get yourself a man named Jack and have him help you lift this up. And like once you lift that up, it is so easy. I might do another video if your furniture is flat to the floor. I'm going to get another man name. I ain't going to tell you his name yet, but I'm going to help you lift that furniture so you could do it your darn self. So I got 2 of the slideys in. So as you see now, it's under there, the sliders, the feet, or however they call them. And I'm showing you how I added that piece to the back. So ensure that nothing falls over. And you can see my little messy work in the back. Ain't nobody seeing that. So, Actually, like I said, this piece was cherry wood and I painted it. I'm going to show you how you don't have to sand furniture to paint it. What you could use to, and this I have this been painted maybe like 3-4 years now, and there's no chip on it. It's solid. So now I slide it over, and I'm doing this all by myself, so that's why I can't tape and do that. So this is the area. As you see, it's like an octagon, semicircle. Yes. So now that I move the furniture, girl, cleaning time. I guess our work is never done, right? So I'm going to go ahead and clean this area. See, look, dust right there. And I know what that dust is from. I had cut my windowsill in order for my furniture to fit there. But don't tell nobody I said that, because my husband don't even know what I be doing up in this place. Did you hear me? Okay, I'm whispering. So now I decided, you know what? Let me go ahead and clean this darn window. You see all that dirterization? And I'm going to go ahead and clean up baseboard and all. So now I finally finished cleaning. I brought this piece here. I want to put that one up to the window. That was a thrifted find, and I paid $30, I think, for it. Did you see those ugly lightings right here? Listen, I don't know why they put that in this house. Like, I got to change that. They look like co-orders. They look like spaceships. Girl, I'm getting rid of that real soon. So this is how it look, wrought iron. And that piece, I want to put it there. White block the window. Listen, I have things and I want to put it in place, and the windows are not going to stop me from displaying what furniture I feel like displaying. This place, certain parts in this home, like for instance, the breakfast nook has like, what, 20-foot ceiling. So, and then the windows are so long. So guys, come back in another video and I will show you how I'm putting this space together, the table, the china cabinet that I'm putting in here. Yes, and we're gonna put this space together from top to bottom. Here, the ugly light again. Like, who did that? Who made that? So I just love this table, and it is wrought iron. I am taking the whole thing apart. Yes, I said bottom, top, the whole nine. I'm taking the whole thing apart and redo the piece. And I'm going to tell you the reason why I'm taking it apart. Like I told you, it was a $30 piece. This is heavy, like all get out. I've done some work on it twice before, but this time I'm going to do the work for reals. And I just love the way how this stand is just like, ooh, sexy. Look at them legs. So guys, again, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos,